Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw USDT, okay, from your Coinbase wallet. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase wallet app on your phone and make sure that you're actually logged into your account. And if you don't have the app yet guys, download it from the App Store or Google Play and set up your wallet. Okay, and once you're in the app guys, what you're going to do is you want to tap on the Assets tab at the bottom to view your cryptocurrency. You want to locate USDT, which is basically Tether, in the list of your assets, and you want to tap on it. And next, guys, what you're going to do is you want to tap on the Send button to initiate the withdrawal process, and you'll be asked to enter the address of the wallet or exchange you want to send the USDT to. Make sure the address you're entering is correct, as you know, crypto transactions guys, they cannot be undone. So if you make a mistake here, your money will be lost forever. I'm literally emphasizing a lot here for you guys, okay? Make sure everything here is correct. Double check everything, okay? And after you enter the wallet address guys, you can choose how much USDT you actually want to withdraw. You can either type in the amount, or you can use the max option to send all your USDT. And guys, once you have entered the amount guys, of course, again, I'm emphasizing double check all the details, especially the wallet address, okay, and the amount to ensure everything looks correct. And then what you want to do guys is you want to tap on next. And at this point guys, what's going to happen is you may be asked to confirm the withdrawal, okay, using your Coinbase wallet password, or your biometric authentication, for example your Face ID or Touch ID. And once you confirm guys, your USDT will be sent to the address you provided, and you receive a notification once the transaction is complete, and you can track the status of your withdrawal in the activity section of the app. And that's it guys, you've successfully withdrawn USDT from your Coinbase wallet. And if this video helped you out guys, don't forget to smash the like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions guys. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.